Today I'm going to show you how to modify the wallpaper on the miniOS Ultra using a gthumb simple photo viewer and editing software that will install. Desktop settings here, and you can see there are only about 10 uh, wallpapers that comes with a Ultra. So we are using this here, which is a miniOS 5 wallpaper-ultra.jpg. So what we want to do is load up this wallpaper in gthumb and then modify it. So this is the command. So we're going to install it here, and after that's done, we're going to load up using gthumb the wallpaper itself, as and then we're going to exit out of the terminal. So close, and then we'll start the terminal, and then we'll just go ahead and just copy this over. So copy, and then we're going to just simply middle mouse click on the terminal, and then we're going to install the gthumb, and then it opened it up. So I actually had the gthumb installed already, but it's going to look very similar to you. And then if you don't have this editing toolbox here, all you need to do is just tap on E key, E, and as in edit. So then you should have this. Then what you want to do is go ahead and go to this here grayscale, and we're gonna quickly just change this to a grayscale, so it's lost all its color. So we're gonna accept it, and then we want a slightly warm tone to the black and white. So what I tend to do is just go into special effects and go to warmer here, and then it's gonna make it slightly more brownish, and then accept. And then I want to slightly modify it even further with a curve here, adjust color curves. And then I want a dark area to be a little bit more dark, and lighter areas to be slightly more lighter, and we can do that. And then we can accept. And then you want to make sure that you don't want to click on this. You'll just overwrite the file. So what you want to do is save it as extra, and then we'll give it a name of BW. So we're gonna save it as same except for BWJPG. So we're gonna save it. Save. Now it's saved. So we're gonna close it, and then we're gonna close this here also, and we're just gonna simply right click and go to the desktop settings, and then now we have this new BWJPG. So I'm just gonna simply click, and then now it's changed to a new wallpaper.